Hello everyone, did you know the #1 product in your anti-aging daily skincare routine is going to be your sun protection? Protecting it from UVA, UVB, blue light, and all the pollution, right? I know I love the sun. I love the vitamin D and the endorphins I get when I'm outside, but not protecting our skin properly is the #1 culprit for premature aging. And I'm 52. So I want to do all the things, and I want to share with you about the Norwex Protect and Prevent Mineral Sunscreen. It has SPF 30. If you are serious about protecting your skin, keeping it youthful, protecting from the sun and the environmental stressors, then this video is going to be good for you. This is a lightweight mineral-based sunscreen. It's your daily shield against all the UVA, UVB rays, blue light, and pollution. So this is a must-have for me. I'm in that sweet spot of time right now. I just applied my skincare, finished up with moisturizer, and I'm getting ready to go to makeup. So you want to apply this after skincare and before makeup if you wear it. So let's talk about why sun protection is critical before I put this on. So even on cloudy days, the UVA and UVB rays, they can cause lots of fine lines and wrinkles, also sunburns on a cloudy day. And that's not all. So we're exposed to blue light from our screens, our TVs, our phones. I'm getting blue light right now, street lights. And there's tons of pollution out there, right? Whenever we're outdoors, there's even pollution in homes. And all of that can lead to premature aging. So this gives us a broad spectrum protection that guards against all of these harmful effects. It's powered by non-nano zinc oxide and titanium dioxide, which actually sit on the skin's surface to deflect all of the harmful rays without allowing them to penetrate the skin. So this means we get a very powerful protection without the risk associated with sunscreens I've used in the past, which were chemical sunscreens that would sink into my skin and into my bloodstream, causing all sorts of problems. So what's amazing about this sunscreen is, yes, it works great, but it's also USDA certified, 72% bio-based, meaning that it's made from plants and other renewable sources. Plus, it's water resistant, it's reef friendly, and it's packaged in this awesome eco-friendly tube that's made with recycled materials. So you're not just protecting your skin, you're also making a good choice for the planet. So I want to talk a little bit about the ingredients. So this sunscreen, I'm going to apply it too, is enriched with Nordic antioxidant blend of organic cloudberry, elderberry, black currant, and lingonberry. So these are powerful antioxidants that help protect our skin from free radical damage, environmental damage, and they boost the skin's radiance. So you guys are my mirror right now. It makes it perfect for everyday use, perfect after your skincare. Maybe that's your last step, but definitely sits under makeup extremely well. My skin's hydrated. I don't have the white cast. I love it. It's one of my favorite things about this sunscreen is that it feels light on the skin. It's not greasy and it blends in beautifully without leaving that crazy white cast that I've had so many other times when I've used mineral sunscreens. It's also dermatologist-tested, so it's great for people with sensitive skin. It's vegan. It's free of all the harmful ingredients like parabens, oxybenzone, and nasty synthetic fragrances. It's safe for all skin types, including sensitive skin, and it's perfect for layering with your other skincare products. Just use it at the end. And you can use it on anyone in your family 6 months of age on up. So whether you're heading out for a day in the sun or you're just sitting by the window at home, this sunscreen has got you covered. It's the ultimate protection, in my opinion, for your skin against all the sun damage, blue light damage, and then environmental stuff that our skin and our body has to process every day. So let me know if you have any questions. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you real soon.